So I just landed. It's been back-to-backs the last several days. I was in Atlanta just a couple days back, and then West Palm, and then spent a couple of days home with the wife and kids. Got up at 3 in the morning. Just landed in Las Vegas. Got a full day about to start and a full week coming up. It just got me thinking about it, right? Because, you know, being on the road a lot, I'm away from my family and everybody that I love, and it's just, I think all the time I hear the question like, why do you do what you do, right? For me, it's like, what are you willing to sacrifice? What are you willing to sacrifice in order to get what it is that you want? For me, right now, unfortunately, I have to sacrifice time for my family and my babies, and I don't get to do the things that I want to do all the time. It'd be nice to sit around and watch TV and just hang out and maybe drink beers all the time on the weekend or whatever, like a lot of my friends do. But what I would say is no matter what status you get to, you got to sacrifice something. So if you're making $40,000 a year, you're sacrificing something to make that 40. If you want to make more, you have to sacrifice more in order to make more. For me, I have really high income limits or goals. So for me, I got to sacrifice a lot to hit that goal. And I'm willing to sacrifice whatever I have to at this point, because I know that true success, however you define it, for me, the way I define it, I know that I can't hit my success level without sacrifice. Just a little tidbit note.